Good morning. Happy Friday, our first Friday of the virtual schooling experience. So this tutorial video is for both marketing and multimedia because all of you are doing the very same assignment, which is to get your Microsoft Teams profile picture changed to one where I can see your face instead of just initials or some background that is not you. So I'm going to show you how to do that. In Teams, what we're looking at right now is our Teams page, and your profile picture is up here in the top right. So if you click on it, you can kind of see all the settings and other things that you can do. Right here it says change picture. So if you don't see a picture of yourself and you see initials or some other picture that's not you, this is where you actually change the picture. So how can you do this? Well, you can do the app, so you can get your phone out, Microsoft Teams, your camera roll is right there, and you can do that. Some people in other periods, actually, this was pretty clever, I've done this too. You can actually get your phone to show up on your computer and actually swap files back and forth between your phone and computer. That's one way. Or you can just take a picture right at your computer and save it to the desktop and do it that way. So if that's you, where you don't want to use your phone, what you can do, there's lots of websites you could do this with, or you can just use the camera on the computer. So if you have Windows 10 on your computer, search up camera down here, and usually a computer has a camera app if you have a webcam on it. And it's not going to allow me to use it because I'm already using the camera during this tutorial. So anyway, I can't show you how to use that app, but you can go find that app, and it's just like a camera on your phone. So you take the picture, you go up to the top right, you save as. You could even go to the edit, which is to the left a little bit, and you can crop it, and there's filters and all sorts of things. So that is how you could do that on the computer. Now, this assignment requires that you take the picture and give me a screenshot of this so I can see that you changed your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. So how do you screen capture? That is a tool called Snipping tool. So I have it here on my taskbar right now. So the taskbar is this bar at the bottom of your screen. And if you've never used Snipping tool before, you would look it up like this, and then you would click on it. So I'm going to open it up, and here's the menu. And you would click new to do a new screen capture. So I'm going to click this first and then click new, and I'm going to hold down my mouse and draw the section that I want to save, and that's good. I can see the new profile pic. Here's where you can save it, and I'm going to save it to my desktop so it's easy to find. So I'm going to put Microsoft Teams MT profile pic. And there we go, I have a saved picture. And then on this assignment right here, you're going to be able to attach that picture, and I'm going to be happy. I'm going to give you 5 points. You can see that this is due today, Friday, August 21st by 11:59 p.m. That's just before midnight. So now that you know how to do it, you have this tutorial that you can come back to and reference. We should be getting those in, and I can start grading those right away, hopefully this afternoon, so that I don't have to grade them on Sunday. That's it for now, and I'll see you in class.